Action.
Okay, so today we're making butter chicken sauce. And to do that, we will need all this stuff. So we have onion, garlic, ginger. We have bay leaf, cinnamon sticks, some cloves. We have some ghee, but you can also use like margarine or oil if you need. Cumin seeds, chili flakes is optional depending on how spicy you like it. Then we have some tomato sauce, water, vinegar, sugar, turmeric, powdered cumin, and then we have over here garam masala, fenugreek, salt, pepper, and
Ground cardamom.
ground cardamom, and then cream to finish.
Perfect.
Now, okay, so we preheated the pan to medium heat,
Okay.
right? And now we're gonna add the ghee.
Ghee's in.
And then we're gonna add our cinnamon sticks, cumin seeds, bay leaf, and our cloves. And we're just gonna let them brown in the oil here. So at this point, we should probably clarify or give credit. So this recipe is an amalgamation of two recipes. One is from Juhi's mom. Hi, Juhi's mom.
Who runs exotic Indian cuisine?
Right. And the other is from another student, Ash's mom.
Yeah, Nishida.
Nishida. So thank you for sharing your recipes. And once the seeds are starting to brown, and you should be able to kind of smell a little bit of them.
Yeah.
Then we can add our onion, garlic, and chili flakes if you're using them. Onion, garlic, and ginger can go in now. Onion.
Nice camera angle. I like that.
Yeah.
It's very tasty-ish.
Okay, and give that a stir. And then how long are we cooking it? Just until
3 to 5 minutes.
So it's been 3 to 5 minutes. We've got some nice color going on here. So now we're gonna add our second stage, cumin, ground cumin, yeah, ground turmeric, and then sugar, vinegar, tomato sauce, just turn down the heat for a second, and water. Now mix that up. And now we are going to bring it to a boil and then let it simmer for how long? Roughly 20 minutes?
20 minutes. 20, 30 minutes.
20 to 30 minutes. Okay. So back to a boil and then a gentle simmer for 20 to 30 minutes. Action. Okay, so we've been simmering for 20 minutes roughly. Heat is on medium now. We're going to add our cream.
I'm just going to add a little bit of water so we can
And a little water.
rinse out our container.
Okay. And then salt, pepper, cardamom, garam masala, and fenugreek. Mix everything together. And okay, so once everything's been combined, then we'll bring it to a boil and let it simmer for 15 minutes. And at any point now or at the end, if you had cooked protein that you wanted to add, like a soy curl or cooked chicken or whatever, you could do that. Action! Okay, so we've been simmering the sauce for about 15 minutes now. So at this point, we want to taste it and adjust our seasoning if we need to. And then before you add any protein or before you serve it, you probably want to take out the larger pieces of spice. So we can take out our cinnamon stick and our bay leaf. You can take that?
We want me to do it?
Yeah, I'm gonna take those out and then try to find the cloves. It might have been easier to take them out of the previous step. Otherwise, you know, just leave them in and
hope for the best.
Yeah. Okay. So now we're just gonna add the soy curls.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, that's pretty good. Okay.
Ta-da!
Ta-da! Thanks, Juhi's mom and Ash's mom. We hope you did an okay job.